I'm hosting a brunch tomorrow and I'm making my favorite easy baked French toast recipe. It's something you actually put together the day or the night before, cover it, put it in the fridge, bring it out, let it come up to room temperature for a little while and bake it, and it is just an absolutely delicious recipe. I've got a few hints for you. You want to make sure you spray your pan well, and you're going to take your bread and actually slice it diagonally like I've done and start creating standing up pieces so you're shingling them in your pan and get them nice and filled up in there. And it'll seem a little bit tight by the time you're finished, but that's totally good because by the time we take our egg mixture with all the goodies in it, it will absorb all of that yumminess and bake up really beautifully. This is actually one of those things that I was at a brunch years ago and someone brought it, and it's just been a family favorite from there on. So I've got all of my liquid ingredients, and you'll notice how when I added the the cinnamon, it kind of floats on the top. Don't worry about it, it's what it does because we've added something dry to liquid. I'm just gonna pour this all over the French toast, kind of push it down when I'm done, cover it with plastic wrap, and find a place in the refrigerator for it to nestle and soak up all that yumminess overnight.